Hello friends, welcome to Flight Test Tech. I'm Josh. Today we're going to be taking you through the playlist of how to build the FT Flerken. The FT Flerken not only looks crazy, but it flies crazy, but it is so enjoyable in the air. This truly unique airplane is a fantastic FPV platform, or if you want to fly line of sight, there's not an angle where it does not look amazing. Although it has forward swept wings, it's incredibly gentle in the air. It could be your very first wing, but make sure that you have some experience with 4-channel aircraft, mainly bank and yank. Now with this build, we're going to be using lots of bevel cuts. So if you're not familiar with bevel cuts and you haven't practiced them, try that on a scrap piece of foam before beginning with this airplane. Now for this build, we're going to be taking you through a series of playlists. These playlists are going to show you how to build the main body, the vertical stabilizers, and ultimately the motor and the electronics and radio setup all the way to your first flight. We want you guys to have a great experience, but also with as versatile as this airplane is, we're going to eventually have different motor and tail combinations that you can choose to build with. So let's go ahead and get our materials in order and we'll get started.